In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable translation settings in the new Microsoft Outlook. Whether you often receive emails in different languages or you're learning a new one, setting up email translation can greatly enhance your productivity and communication. Let's walk through the steps together so you can have this configured in no time. To begin, head over to your new Microsoft Outlook account. You can do this on your web browser by navigating to Outlook's website and logging in with your credentials. If this is your first time on the new Microsoft Outlook platform, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's sleek and designed to be intuitive, making it easy to find the settings you need. Once you're in Outlook, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to a myriad of customizable features within Outlook, allowing you to tailor your email experience to suit your personal or professional needs. With the Settings menu open, you'll see a variety of options. Click on Mail to access your email settings. This section covers everything from inbox organization to your reading pane preferences. Our focus today, however, will be on the Message Handling section. Scroll down until you see this heading. It should be quite apparent amidst the other settings. Now, within the Message Handling section, you'll find the translation options. This is where the real customization begins. You have the option to always translate incoming emails to your preferred language, which can be particularly useful if you consistently receive messages in a foreign language. If you prefer more control over how and when translations occur, you can choose to be prompted before a translation is made. This way, you decide on a case-by-case basis. Additionally, if translation is not something you're interested in, you may opt to never have emails automatically translated. Lastly, should you choose to translate your messages, you also have the option to select the target language. This means if you're learning French, for example, you could set it so messages are translated into French to help with immersion. Once you've made your selections and are satisfied with your settings, you're all done. It's as simple as that. These changes should take effect immediately, allowing you to seamlessly translate and understand your incoming emails. And there you have it. By following these few straightforward steps, you've now equipped yourself to better handle multilingual emails in Microsoft Outlook. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your Outlook experience a bit